What damn you want Kelly here? Don't I'm making you strangle here. Don't I'm just showing you up there and visual now to do for me. Never mind, I'm gonna show you. Okay. Don't that's the body here, don't I'm going. Want to stop in this door here. Don't I'm gonna ask you what you're gonna make. Awesome, but I'm supported you today for this. I think I just shoot them on one. Okay, now I'm going to introduce you and my brother. My brother's don't like that. Hello, my little brother. This is my brother. This is always like the time all the time. Dog. This is. Just take a drink. Yeah. Okay, dog. This is what I'm going to do. Anytime I'm got a computer over here. Dog, that's I'm got two models over here. I've got my drink. Hello, Daddy. I should do this left you on boom. Don't look at that. I'm watching this because it's funny, man. Don't never mind. Okay, what it's to do is that I'm doing the job to make and fancy stuff in which I can't do. This which is like all the stuff you can make in that lamp to do and LED lights. I can make it awesome things with David Power from here. I was making an awesome power which can save you from cost for taxes and bill or the something like that is too much for you. But the kind of astronomical and comes friendly lights, island on the island lights, so they for you from money. Save you from money for God, why I find the grandma for that. Okay, don't watch Mrs. David is I'm got to stop you from here, I've got everything from here, I don't care what happened to people today, this is my new cycle here. I was just making some cycling for you guys. You can't watch anybody who making laugh or hook you down on the floor and laugh out loud. Don't worry, I make you laugh. Maybe not. I don't know. Okay.